The world moves in noise, but here everything slows. Not to teach anything, not to reveal anything, simply to open a quiet room inside a darker room, inside a deeper one. A place where light doesn't shine, it glows from underneath, like warm gold breathing under black water. Here, time doesn't hurry. It unfolds in long waves, rolling in and out, like a tide made of memory. You walk through it, without taking a step. Nothing pulls you forward, nothing calls you back. You drift, effortless, weightless, yet somehow heavier than you have ever felt. Shapes melt, edges blur, thoughts loosen and slide away, like silk slipping from a hand. In this dark cold quiet, you don't rise or fall, you hover, suspended, held by something you can't name, but somehow you recognize. You don't need a reason to be here. The room itself becomes a reason. A pulse in the dark, a breath with no source, an echo with no beginning. And as the echo moves, it leaves traces, thin arcs of gold, curving in slow spirals, drawing lines through the dark, as if the air remembers you before you even arrive. There is no message here. No lesson, no call, only atmosphere, only the slow glow of something you feel more than you understand. A universe without urgency, a frequency without demand, a moment without weight. This is not a promise, not a path, not a door you must choose. It simply exists. And you can drift in it for as long as you want. This is AURION echo, where sound becomes space and space becomes feeling. My name is Abshai, and this is Everything Begins to Blur into Gold.